In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section in Todoist. Creating sections is a simple but powerful way to organize your tasks, especially if your project is getting long or a bit overwhelming. Sections let you group related tasks together so you can quickly see what belongs where, and keep everything neat and easy to scan. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project where you want to add a section. This can be any project you've already created, whether it's for work, school, or personal tasks. Make sure you're actually inside that project, looking at the list of tasks for it, not just the general inbox or another view. Once you're in the project, look toward the top right area of the project view. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually arranged vertically. This is the More Options menu for that specific project. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will open. In that menu, look for the option that says Add Section. The wording may be slightly different depending on your device, but it will clearly mention adding a section. Go ahead and click on Add Section. After you select that, Todoist will prompt you on screen to set up your new section. Typically, you'll be asked to enter a name for the section. Choose a name that clearly describes the group of tasks you plan to place there. For example, you might call it Today, This Week, Ideas, Work, or Personal, depending on how you like to organize things. Type the name into the field provided. As you follow the on-screen prompts, you might also be able to choose where the section appears within the project. If Todoist allows you to drag and drop, you can rearrange sections later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. When you're happy with the section name and placement, confirm or save it according to the button shown on the screen. Once your section is created, you'll see a clear header inside your project, and you can start adding tasks under that section. You can drag existing tasks into the section or create new tasks directly below it. And that's all there is to it. By opening your project, using the 3-dot menu, choosing Add Section, and following the prompts, you can quickly structure your Todoist projects in a way that makes your tasks easier to manage and much more visually organized.